All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. Cruising with 0 degrees. Last time you seen 0 degrees, the build had just been completed. But today, we're getting an upgrade. Yes, sir, 0 degrees is getting his first set of wheel lights and strip lights to go under the running boards for the show season. We're getting some Oracle wheel lights put on, double row, all white. And we're getting the strips put under the running boards, all white with the amber blinker. Drop a comment down below and let me know what you think about the strips being put on under the running boards and how it might come out with the wheel lights. You can catch me in DeLand next Saturday or this Saturday for a pop-up meet if you want to see the 0 degrees in person. And at OBI next week, Orange Beach Invasion 2024 in Alabama. Stay tuned. All right, here we go, first wheel off. Got him up on the rack. Ready to get them lights put on. Again, it's the first set of wheel lights. We'll see how they turn out. Almost got the first one done. Got to give a huge shout out to them guys at Toys for Trucks. I'll shout out Vince and Justin and Gator and Danny. They do an outstanding job. Come see them boys in Alachua, Florida. They're gonna hook you up, man. That's Toys for Trucks. Got wheel number 2 almost done. Got the wizard over here killing the game. Y'all got to come check him out.